This video is devoted to the crucial thing each truck driver should pay attention to, their truck maintenance. By sharing the video, we're also sharing some helpful tips. Hope you will enjoy it. If you use your truck for business operations, it probably means that your vehicle is always on the road. Therefore, developing a proper maintenance routine is crucial to increasing the automobile lifespan. Although most of the services has to be done by a professional auto technician, there are a few things that you can do to ensure that your truck is always in the best shape. If you're wondering how to perform maintenance on your truck, here are a few tips. Monthly tire checkups. You should check your truck tires on a monthly basis. The whole truck rides on tires. Thus, routinely check whether they are correctly inflated to avoid a blowout while in transit. Once in a while, you should also rotate the truck tires to ensure that tread wear is even. This trick helps to improve mileage. Also, it prolongs the life of your tires and reduces vibrations, hence securing suspension components. Routine fluids inspection. Engine oil can get easily contaminated by debris and dust that find their way to the engine. Dirty motor oil will prevent your truck engine from getting efficiently lubricated and protected. Consequently, the proper functioning of your engine is inhibited. Also, dirty oil diminishes the lifespan of the engine, thus it is important to routinely check and change the engine oil. As a rule of thumb, always check the engine oil after every 7,500 miles or every 6 months. The motor oil is not the only fluid that runs to your truck. You will also need to check the transmission fluid level using a dipstick. Brake fluid, coolant and windshield washer liquid can be checked by removing their respective covers and checking the fill line. Listening for brake issues. One of the common indications of problems in your truck is brake sounds. The most common brake sounds are squealing, rattling and grinding. Squealing indicates worn out brake pads rubbing against the rotor. Thus you need to replace the brake pads. On the other hand, rattling is an indication that the rotors needs to be changed since they're either worn out or warped. Lastly, grinding, although rare, can happen if the rust formed into the brake rotors. The grinding sound is merely the rust getting scarped off the rotors. The formation of rust is attributed to high humidity, rain or snow. You can easily solve this issue by parking your truck inside a garage where humidity is lower and external elements such as rain and snow cannot easily cause moisture leaks into the brake rotors. Lubricate the necessary parts. Some of your truck parts are likely to experience issues with increased friction. Therefore, you must always lubricate your hinges, latches, gear, steering, and suspension parts. Lubricating your doors handles is also an essential part in preventing rust as door gets exposed to the moisture. Wrapping up. Truck maintenance doesn't have to be always left in the hands of professional vehicle technicians. The above ways to maintain your truck can increase its longevity and reduce occurrences of mechanical issues. However, you will still need to visit your auto service shop for routine maintenance, repairs, and replacements. If you're a truck driver and currently searching for a better place to work, take a closer look at Energy Trucking. We provide steady paychecks, new trucks, and 24/7 assistance from our support team. We treat our drivers as the crucial partners. Join us today to get all the bonuses. You can find more info on our website or Instagram profile. Check it out. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to motivate us to create more interesting content. See you. Till next time.